Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to program a ultrasonic distance sensor. So here we have the ultrasonic distance sensor HCSR04. We have here 4 pins. One is the GND, one is the VCC, and one the string and the HO. So let's take out our Arduino Uno. We need a couple jumpers, 4, and we need 3 jumpers for our simple project that we are going to build here. Let me close this, or at least try to close it. Now I need a relay. So here I'm going to build like a smart water or fountain. Like when you approximate, it will turn on the water, and when you get some distance, it will turn off automatically. So the connections are, let me put these cables here first of all. Okay, like this. And the GND, all of us know, goes to the GND in the Arduino. The VCC goes to VCC 5 volts on Arduino, like this. Then the string and the echo goes to, I set it up string to pin 3, digital pin 3. So I'm going to put here digital pin 3, and I set echo to pin 2, just like this. Then here I'm going to connect to our relay. As always, GND to GND, VCC to VCC, 5 volts. So our GND here is this brown cable. So we are going to connect it to GND. Simple. In the VCC, this red cable to 5 volts right here, and the signal cable to pin 5. Now schematics ready. Let's plug our Arduino in and start programming.
So here in our programming, as I said, as set here string to pin 3 and echo to pin 2. Then put here long is going to be duration, and I indicate distance, and then define tornado 1 to pin 8. That's mean it's the relay. So let me switch the name here, just just to make things easier. Relay. Oh, yes, relay. And here too. So in setup, as always, we are defining pins to output or input. Relay. So I define relay to output, string to output. String is this pin 3 right here to output, and echo to input. So how it works: the string one side send some waves, electromagnetic waves, then it will reach an object, and the object will send back these waves to the other side. When I will show you when we are testing the project how it works properly. So I set here some variables to on state. Once again, change here relay. Oh, white relay. Here on off state also. Alright, so these are just variables that we are going to use downstairs in the loop. So basically you put here digital write to turn on the string, send waves, turn off for 2 microseconds, then turn on string for 10 microseconds, it will send waves, then turn off it, and echo will receive the information when the string send information, the waves in that case. So here in distance to be in centimeters. So here I set to print the distance and print after each distance. Okay, simple. Then I set here my parameters. So if the distance is 20 centimeters or less, it will turn off. If it will turn on. If the distance is higher than 20 centimeters, it will turn off. So I set here on state if the distance is 20 or less, and off if the distance is higher than 20. So this you can change it. So let's upload our code. Oh yeah, I put my relay to pin 5, not pin 8. Yeah, just that. So it's uploading the code.
So guys, the code is uploaded. As you can see, it should start working right now. Let me open serial monitor. Yeah, now we are having, let me show you guys here in serial monitor. It's reading some data, so I can't focus it, but so here I'm going to show you what happened if I put my hand here. You see, the sensor is sending data from this side. it reaches the object, then comes back to here. It's like that. Simple as that. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your like, subscribe, leave something on the comments, suggestions, and something else, you know. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, leave your like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget the bell.